Hello everybody, welcome to Amir's World. On today's episode, we will be doing Quiz 1 on 3rd grade math. Let's get started. Sidra and her sister have 20 minutes to play with their new hula hoop before dinner. They split the time evenly. How long will they each get to play with the hula hoop? This question is the same thing as 2 minus 1. Let's do 20 minus 10. So 20 minus 10, you take away 1 from the 2, it turns it into 10. Both of them play for 10 minutes. What is the value of this symbol? 9 equals 36 divided by that symbol. 9 times 1 does not equal 36. 9 times 2 does not equal 36. 9 times 3 does not equal 36. But 9 times 4 does equal 36. So it's 4. It says, find the missing value. 42 equals question mark times 6. Question mark equals what? 6 times 1 does not equal 42. 6 times 2 does not equal 42. 6 times 3 does not equal 42. 6 times 4 does not equal 42. 6 times 5 does not equal 42. 6 times 6 does not equal 42. But 7 times 6 equals 42. Let's see. Now it says, Jenny spent 36 minutes practicing 4 songs on her violin. She spent the same amount of time on each song. How long did Jenny spend practicing each song? It's the same thing as the other one. 36 divided by 9 equals 4, and 4 times 9 equals 36. The answer is 9. Now it says, what is the value of P? P divided by 6 equals 9. So we need to do 9 times 6. 9 times 1 equals 9. 9 times 2 equals 18. 9 times 3 equals 27. 9 times 4 equals 36. 9 times 5 equals 45. 9 times 6 equals 54. Let's check it. Yay! We did it! Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell to get more videos. Bye! See you on the next episode!